All that happy sound is the second batch of baby wrens since this lockdown began. At least the birds are just happily reproducing, taking care of their babies, not watching any screens, working their butts off in 100-degree weather. Today is the third day in a row I took my kids to the beach. They wiped out a few times in the waves. It was the first time they actually went into the ocean and actually swam. They're 10 and 7 years old, so they've been kind of too little to really do that. But this year they were all for it, and they're tired, and I'm happy about that because, you know, it's been hard being locked in the house. The skies are, you know, still the insane stuff they are. Come on back out, Wren. But I'm excited that these babies hatched out like 2 days ago. Oh, hello. You don't have to worry, I'm just looking. And what is that? My phone is shiny and glittery on the outside, so probably like, what? Do I come out? It's okay, little Mama Wren or Daddy Wren, I don't know. Can't tell our gingers apart anymore either. But I definitely can't tell. Every couple minutes they come back in with another little insect for their babies to enjoy. Alright guys, have a good day.